Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We are doing another Boxycharm unboxing. I have tried a few of these products off camera. We have some makeup, skincare, hair care, everything. So first we have the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. I have used this a few times now. That's why the box is massacred. So I really like this so far. It's very thick, but when you start to kind of like work it into your skin, it feels really nice, and being oil-free is really good, especially in the summertime. I can tend to get a little bit oilier throughout the day, so I'll definitely continue to use it. It's got like a very, very subtle greeny, I mean it is called whipped greens, so it's like an earthy, herbally kind of scent, but draws out dirt, oil, impurities caused by pollution, soap-free, pH balanced, infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay. I definitely recommend. I know that you can get Pharmacy at Sephora, and this is a $28 cleanser. The next product is this, which I have also tried a couple times as well. This is the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches, and I love a good eye patch, especially in the morning. I feel like they just help wake you up, depuff the eyes. So this is what the packaging looks like. I had never tried this brand before, but I really like the packaging. I think it's fun. So these retail for 50 bucks. And I have tried these twice. I did like them. Apply them to a clean, dry under eye area, and then you leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes. And there is a little spatula inside, which I really like, especially when it comes to like cleanliness, keeping all of the germs out. So that's really good. You just like scoop them out, put them on your eyes. They felt really nice. I feel like with things like this, I can't really tell if it makes a difference or not, but I enjoy like the experience of wearing an eye mask. I will continue to wear these for sure. And then some of the claims: firming, depuffing, brightening, and then marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior that is dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. Looks like it's an Australian brand because the Instagram link is Generation Skin AUS. So I don't know. I'll definitely keep using them though for $49.99. That is a very expensive eye patch, but I know you get a lot in here, 30 pairs. So next up we have this guy, which is a hair care product, and the brand is Outre. So I have not tried this yet, but it is a leave-in conditioner, and it's like a CBD leave-in conditioner, I guess. I just recently got my hair done, so I haven't washed my hair yet. By the way, I got more blonde. I like did a little boomerang on Instagram. Got like more blonde put in sort of like underneath just to make it pop a little more. But so I have not tried this yet because it says to apply to towel dried hair everywhere and style. And it's supposed to enhance body manageability, detangle, fight frizz, environmental protection, balance moisture, add nutrients, and refresh hair, add shine, and reduce stress. So a lot of claims. I know CBD is like really popular in like skincare and hair care and all of the things right now, so it's probably a good product. Let's smell it. And it's cool because it says like if you have fine hair, 3 mists, medium 5 mists, and then thick hair 7 mists. So I would probably go medium, maybe like 4 or 5 mists. But I feel like I'm saying that word so much. Let's smell it. Oh my god. Oh, that smells so good. Smells really good. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna use this the next time I wash my hair. I'll let you guys know, but it smells amazing. And this is a $30 product. I've never heard of this brand before. I'm excited. It's like a multi-use kind of nutrient mist that's gonna also help like style as well. So really excited to try this now that I smelled it. So we just have 2 makeup items left. I'm gonna start with this guy. This is from the brand Billion Dollar Brows, and it is a Brows on Point waterproof micro brow pencil, and I got the shade Taupe, which isn't my exact shade. Typically I usually go for like an auburn just to go with like my hair, but let's try this out. Just try it out on camera. I actually don't have anything on my brows. I left them alone because I knew that I was gonna be trying this product out. So I got my little mirror here. And you guys know I love some good eyebrows, so hopefully this works out for me like color-wise. Okay, so I will say that took like 2 seconds. That was really quick. The pencil itself is really good. I feel like this color is just a little too cool toned for me. I wouldn't really pick this color for myself, but I think it looks fine. This is really good. It's a $16 pencil, so no complaints. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of brow gel in my like correct shade just to kind of warm it up a little bit. So this is just the Benefit Gimme Brow in this shade, I think like 375, yeah, which is my usual brow color. I like it. I mean, waterproof too, which is cool, especially in the summer. If you go in the water, the pool, the ocean, you'll still have your brows on, which is great. So yeah, that was good. Okay, I was actually really excited to see this last product in the box. It's from Beauty Bakery. The packaging gets me every time. I legit thought this was just like loose powder in like a pouch like this at first because I'm an idiot. There's the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder, and look at how cute. Just gets me, but this is what the actual packaging looks like. And I almost bought this off of Ulta pretty recently. This is the shade Oat, which is like just the translucent shade. And I had heard great things about this powder in the past, but I haven't tried it, or I hadn't tried it up until, I think it was yesterday actually. Whoa, made a mess. So I didn't set my face yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. But I did try this yesterday, and I feel like my pores just disappeared. It was insane. And I feel like if you get oily in the summer, you wanna have a good powder on hand. Like there's a difference between being dewy and like fresh looking, and then just like kind of oily and greasy and like gross feeling, you know what I mean? So I just took this little Laura Mercier like poof thing and just went in and grabbed some, and then kind of just pat under my under eyes and then down my nose and my cheeks just to kind of mattify everything a little bit. And like, can you see the difference? Like, wow. I am so matte all of a sudden. Did you guys just see how like glowy I was a second ago? So I feel like this would be really great if you need to just do like some touch-ups throughout the day. I mean, maybe I can do like a proper side-by-side of what I looked like before versus now, but I just look so matte, which is amazing because I feel like lately it's just been so hot and my makeup just is like melting off my face. So definitely good to have in your arsenal during the summers. So just like that, we are all finished. I know that was a quick one. I love getting skincare. I love getting hair care. It's just a little bit harder for me to try those things like on camera and give you a proper sort of hit or miss sort of thing. So let's go ahead and add up all of the products and see how much the box was worth this month. Oh, I didn't tell you, the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder retails for $24. I know you can get Beauty Bakery at Ulta. So the grand total this month, you guys like my little charm? I'm like so Y2K these days. $147.99, so basically $150 for everything in the box. And I know I'm a broken record. When you get things that are so good and you can get so many uses out of and full-size products, it's a no-brainer in my opinion. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Hopefully I will get some more makeup items next month that I can try. I can't believe July is almost over. That's all. Like summer is absolutely flying by. Who's ready for fall? I can't wait for fall candles and pumpkin coffee. I am as basic as it gets and I will own it till the day I die. But I hope you guys have an amazing week. Thank you so much for watching my videos and being so supportive of my content recently. I have so much more on the way. So I will see you very soon. Bye.